Here are 7 game-changing Murphy-style wall bed setups, custom-made right here in Dubai. Option 1, the hidden bed with folding desk, bedroom at night, full workspace by morning. Option 2, a permanent working desk built right next to your Murphy-style bed unit. Sleep and work. Option 3, the ultimate bed, bookshelves, desk, all in one wall. This is what smart living looks like in Dubai. Option 4, your guests will never find the bed. It's completely hidden with a full desk built in. Option 5, bed with a folding desk that swings out when you need it. Option 6, your complete home office with a hidden Murphy-style bed. Work all day. And option 7, the boss setup. Triple screen workspace. Full Murphy-style wall bed hidden behind. This is what Dubai's top remote workers are building right now.